Need to add GIFs to Instagram notes? Then you're on the right video. Well, it's a new feature that has just been updated on Instagram. So let's get started. First thing first, move into your application Instagram. Make sure that you are using the updated version. Once you have been logged in into your account, move into your chat section. At the top left corner, click on your note. You can see the new option of GIF. Click on it. Now from here, you can search for any of the GIF that you want to. You can search it in the search bar. Let me search for dance. There you go, tons of different GIFs will be available to you. From here, you can choose any of the specific one. Let me choose this one for now. All you gotta do is click on it. After that, you can also enter any of the text. Once done, tap on share. You can share it with your friends or even close friends. Once done, click on share. And there you go, the GIF has been uploaded on your notes. So this is simply how you can add GIFs to Instagram notes. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.